shower head, and we're very excited about it. We set it up. It's really easy to do, but the only problem we have is, oops, that's not the problem. The only problem we have is this part. It sticks up when nothing is in it, but as soon as we put in the shower head, it sinks. Just slowly going further down. Yeah, so that piece isn't as tight as we would like it to be, because it's getting to a point where it's like just a straight on top of your head shower. But other than that, it's been great so far.
So it wasn't hard to install, but I like my shower head to face a little bit upwards. So while the water's running through it, you see how it just goes down? It doesn't stay up. So now I just have to stand close to the wall because the water just comes down like this. But I want mine to be like this. But look what happens. Just drops right down. So that's what I mean by it doesn't want to stay up. It's just, oh.
Yes, I know I need a new bathtub. Just ignore that. But it does what it says it does. Definitely excited to take a shower now.
It's making loud noises, and then when I press the stop, it's still leaking. A really loud noise.
Water is leaking from here, from the plastic.
Let there be water pressure. Sorry about the grainy video, but yeah, fantastic shower head.